Namaste. Hello everyone. How are you all? Today is a very auspicious day, as today is Akshaya Tritiya, which is also known as Akha Teej in India, and people wait for whole year to celebrate this day. Usually in this day people used to worship goddess Lakshmi because she is symbolized as the goddess of wealth. Including all this, it is also known as Lord Ganesh wrote the most famous epic Mahabharat. That means on this day he started to write the most famous epic Mahabharat, and it is also special for the farmers because they used to start the farming work in this particular day, and so this is special, and everywhere it is celebrated in different way. So today I will make prasad. Prasad means that is sweet. Let's start. So today we will make meethi bundi. For that we need 2 tablespoons of gram flour. After that, already I put a pinch of salt, and I will add some baking soda. You can use food color or else some turmeric. And after that I will mix everything. Now I will put some water, and I will put it slowly, not directly all the water. So you will also do according to me, and we have to mix it well. Now you can see the consistency. It is already completed. So in this consistency you have to make your batter. So now I will keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Within that period we will make our chashni or sweet syrup. For that I will take 1 glass of water. Let the water will be boiled. Then I will add same amount of sugar. That means 1 glass of sugar. Water and sugar amount will be same. That means if you are taking 1 glass of water, then you have to take 1 glass of sugar. Now it is about to completed. Our syrup is ready, but before that we will check by using our finger tip. This syrup only needed to be sticky. That 1 tar is not needed. So now it's sticky. We will prepare our bundi now. For that you can use desi ghee or refined oil. I used refined oil. Now let it be boiled. Now by using this type of hole, so this will help us to make the proper round shape bundi. You can spread it by using any spoon. Now you can see the bundi. Now you can see our bundis are ready. You don't need to keep it for a long time. Hardly within few seconds it will be ready. Now I will put all the bundis inside the sweet syrup. that it will absorb it properly. I will keep it little bit tilted so that the extra syrup will be out. Now this is our puja thali and I will serve the prasad. Now my prasad is ready. Hope you like my video. How you were celebrating your Akshaya Tritiya? Comment below and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Wish you everyone happy Akshaya Tritiya. Thank you so much for watching my videos.